Hello, good morning, guys. Today I'm here to teach you Python. Let's start. Hmm, what is Python? Basic Python programming. Introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreter and a general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is nothing, it is a high level language, interpreter and general purpose programming language, nothing else. No, Python is very easy to learn because its syntax are simple and similar to the English language. Beginners are understand Python quickly. No, we can say that we are beginners because we completed right now I'm completed first year. So we can say we are the beginners. Today Python is the most popular programming language in the world. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted general purpose programming language. It was created by the Guy Van Rossum and released in 1990. We can see in this slide what is Python, and below there it is that easy interpreted open source used in AI wave data science. Now, where is Python used? First, in web development, in data science, in artificial intelligence, that is we call AI, machine language, ML, automation, and the game development and the cyber security. Okay. Now install Python. How we install Python? Firstly, before writing Python program, we need to platform. Means we need to install a Python on our computer. Then we go to Chrome and there is a option to download and we download from that in our laptop. There is an IDE. What is IDE? Integrated Development Environment. What is IDE? IDE is a software where we write, edit, run, and debug our Python program. Okay. There is some popular IDE named as Ideally comes with Python, VS Code. VS Code is a good platform from my side. PyCharm, programming online compiler. There is a always no in this video we practice on Python online compiler. There is a Google Colab. These all are the upload IDEs that means integrated development environment. Okay, for beginners, programming online compiler is the easiest because no installation is required. In VS Code, there is installation, there is a Python installation. मतलब, and programming online compiler is much easier than VS Code in terms of installation. No, Python syntax is a orientation, commands, print. There is a some this new topic. Firstly, we need to understand what is syntax. Python syntax. Python syntax. What is syntax? Syntax means the rules for writing a program. What is syntax? The rules for writing a program. Okay. If we do not follow Python syntax rules, the program give an error. Suppose we need to print something and we write in first column instead of second column, then the Python give error. Syntax error. if we write something and you give the space, then the Python compiler all give error. There is only so and when we cut the data space, double error. Okay. For example, print hello. Now we can see we take online compiler and here we print. I understand or the syntax here will come. Suppose this is the right way. Syntax we print hello. You can see we print hello, and when we run start small, see something hello. There's a here written code execution successful. There means this compiler don't give any error because he write in correct way. No, just this 1 second. Just, there is a we write again. Let's remove this. This is we understand that. No, understand. This is the just like print, and now we give another this there is a small bracket and give that space that is not required, but we give a space and I double column and return hello. No, right. The output is code execution successful. Okay. Just like this. Give the another this and we no. As we know in Python, when we have to something print, write print and the parenthesis that is a small bracket, but instead of that bracket, I give that this middle bracket and a print hello. Compiler understand and give that error. The error is transback models and collateral file. This is a file name. When we uh, when we write any Python coding question, there is a we have firstly we have to make a file that name as something we need to just like my name prince.py. Py is the extension and Python understand this is the file. Line one print hello syntax error. Syntax and this compiler gives the what is the error and how we correct it. Syntax error this was never closed. It never closed. And when I write this bracket, you can see here how it is the code execution successfully. Okay, this is the syntax error. No, come on PPT. This is a syntax error and no. What is indentation? Python uses indentation space instead of brace. That brace. Okay. If, for example, if 10 is greater than 5, print correct. Understand? Python uses indentation space instead of brace. Okay. What is comment? Comments are in Python are nothing. It is used to explain the code. You can see, and we in Python. Where is the online compiler? Suppose here is written print hello something that your name Raul. Raul. Close the parenthesis and sorry that and when we run Raul. Okay, but we have to understand something just like we teaches our small brother, and you can hear for understanding purpose you can write firstly this is the this well, you can see this is the like bright, and when we comment this just like sip plus hashtag, okay, no you can hashtag, it is a blur, that means code send python, okay. The compiler don't understand what is this. This is not a real code. It is a compiler. Okay. It has nothing value in Python. For understanding better way, you use Python. Python you use commands. Just like we can see here, we can write the use of print in Python are used to print something. Okay. No, and print Rahul. Then our online compiler understand this print hello, not this the use of print in Python are used to print something. But whenever the another guys are when reading our notes or our lecture saying you that was he understand what is the print. The hashtag use of print in Python are used for print something. That is the use of it. Our when we run our compiler don't execute that upper code, that is use of print in Python are used to print something. We use only the print Rahul, but you can see that output that is Rahul, and here it is written the code execution successful. This is we read what is comments in the Python. Understand what is comment? Okay. Print, you know what is print. Print in Python are used to print something such like print, and we'll print, and there is a bracket that name as parenthesis, and we use whenever what are you want to print, that word are inserted between double column, because double column the compiler does not print this. For example, just like this, understand. Print Rahul. Okay. Firstly, we get right. No, we have to comment this. It means compiler doesn't understand this is the okay. Print. Suppose we give. Suppose here we write and we give Raja. Okay. The output will be Raja. But okay, this is comment out. No, understand. Print, and don't we don't give parentheses. We give only Raj. You can see that is error. It means the compiler doesn't understand what is the print. It is necessary always whenever we want to print something in parentheses we have to give a double bracket. It is very necessary for print anything. Okay. Okay. Come to the parent syntax. Understand what is syntax? What is variables? Variables. One minute. Outside there is sorting. One second. variables. What is variables? Variables store values. वैल्यू जहाँ पे स्टोर हो उसको हम वेरिएबल कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x is equal to 10. Okay. What does it means x is equal to 10? The 10 are stored in a basket. That basket name is x. And here, what is variable? Who are the variable? X is equal to 10. X are the variables. Understand? 10 are the values that are stored in the x, so that x is the variables. Okay. Now, understand what is variables. We can see, we can name as another for definition purpose. A variables is a named a memory location based to store data. Okay, a variables is a named memory location stored to data. And simply we can say that variables, what variables? Variables for variable store values. Okay. For example, you can go there that online compiler and see what is variables. Now you can comment out there that code. Okay, understand. Suppose my name is Prince Raz. Okay, I make a variable as name, NAME, name. Okay, for understanding we have to write, we have to what I am without this is variable. Okay, we will get one in just a 1 minute. I will come back. Okay, now you can see what is variable. As you know, variable is the named memory location used to store data. Okay. Now, as you know, in home there is some disturbance. That time there are sorting, and this time someone knocking. Okay. What is variable? This we can see there is a variable, and we print our name. My name is Prince Ras, and we want to store my name in any variable that I give that variable that bucket as name. So the name equal to what is my name? Okay. By the way, later in is that time x is equal to 20. The 20 is a number. That is a number. So we don't give the double parenthesis. Sorry, double column. Column. Yes, double column. And this time our name is a string. You use string. Everybody name as a string. Something we written in alphabet we name as a string. That is Prince, Ankit, Rahul, LPU, something. We give that in a double column. Okay. So we name as a Prince. We give in that this oh, name Prince, PRINCE. What is variable in this? Prince is value, and the value is stored in that variable, that is name. Okay, so here name is act as a variable. Now here my age is equal to